Good morning, guys, or afternoon, whatever time of day it is when you were finally watching this video. It is, I don't know, 10 o'clock here. You guys in California are an hour behind us in Arizona. So I just am out here in San Bernardino. We just rolled in a little bit ago. I've been driving all morning. But today's the day we're going to Chris's house and working on his CRX. If you guys remember the last time, it was when Daniel was out here with CRX Racing. If you don't follow him, go check him out. And yeah, we came out here, we did a barbecue birthday work on a car type day with him. And same thing this time, it's just my birthday, which is this coming Tuesday on the 17th instead of Vasile. So I don't know who's all showing up, if anybody at this point. It was supposed to be clear skies, and out of nowhere it's all foggy and not rainy, but like damp. But he's got a garage, so we're gonna have some fun, get some work done either way. So gonna be pulling up to his house here in just a minute, and we'll see who's there. What happened to the sunny skies?
Yeah, I thought the same thing, and then it fucking hit me yesterday. It was like, oh, it's gonna be, shouldered me. It's gonna be cloudy and all this.
Yeah, I should know.
This is the famous girlfriend?
Yeah.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah, we were gonna leave last night, but then we got caught up, had to tow DJ CRX to... What's going on? How are you?
What's going on, bro? How you doing?
Good. How's the Del Sol?
Pretty good, pretty good.
What's going on?
Still
nice
slow.
to meet you.
There you go.
What's going on? Nice to meet you.
Hi, Taylor.
Rico, nice to meet you.
You want? No? You guys see it?
Yeah,
Every time.
every time.
Every time.
I was like, isn't it true when I was getting yours? Like, isn't it true?
And this,
Like somewhere, bro.
this is for you for happy birthday.
Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday / Christmas.
Thank you, man.
It's a cherry tamer for you,
Cherry
Del
tamer.
Sol.
Now I just gotta learn how to install it.
Where is it?
I'll show you this.
Show me that.
We need a car with a hood open.
Oh, it's the Konnichiwa type thing, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Pop your hood, is that what you said? Japan's very sophisticated than we are. So pretty much every car comes stock with one of these in Japan. Like Robert's S14 comes stock with it. I bought one before, but it didn't speak Japanese. This one does.
Beep before?
Yeah, mine just beeped like it was having a seizure, but. So every time you start the car, you go click, click.
Wait, so you said it'll make a different noise if you put a card in there?
Yeah. That's what somebody said. He said it goes fucking ballistic is what he said. Sorry.
Maybe you stole my debit card. I had the same one.
Oh, really? That's not even mine. That's my girlfriend's debit card.
Yeah, my wallet got lost or taken at the airport.
What the fuck? I think the debit card broken.
She's telling you it's the wrong card.
You
She said, broke ass nigga, this shit has no money.
Funds, bro.
Imagine that's what she said.
Somebody's toll out
I probably
there.
did, bro.
That's what she said. Cardero is
Just drained it.
it's Japanese for wrong card.
It's a bad gesture.
What?
How much phone?
Listen. Let's just listen to it. What's up, Rico?
Oh wow.
Yeah, all that overspray. Get that all over us.
Yeah, now it's gonna flow back all over the car.
You painted the axles.
And my shoes.
San Bernardino sperm bank. You
And
whack
my
we
shoes.
pack it. No fetus can beat us. How can I help you?
Oh my goodness. Well, good news is this CRX is in a lot better shape than his other one.
What's up, Pop?
You can't see through the sides.
Yeah. What's up, Dad? It's not really my dad.
Your dad came back?
What are you doing? Oh, right now, actually. Chris here. Okay. Make sure you come and tell Chris Sadowski hi, and if you have one of those cool fancy shirts, you give him one.
Shirts?
No. If you have a fancy shirt, you give him a fancy shirt. You don't have any more of those SB Bizimoto collab? Chris likes natural.
You smoke Pall Malls and you drink Mickeys?
I don't drink. That's one thing I don't do. Alcohol is for the devil.
Eres Modelo out here.
It's my dad.
Should be good right here, right?
So where'd you rent this plasma cutter at?
There's a little shop out here that does like welding supplies and stuff. And this is $100 to weld. I mean to borrow.
How long do you get it for?
The whole weekend.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
So you turn it on.
You got me going.
Yeah. Oh, it has like a safety lock on it. So open it up. There you go.
I feel like you should probably wear a mask because my retina do burn.
Yeah.
Mine do too.
That's cool though.
I didn't.
Don't get any of this on you because it'll burn.
Welding's improved. Nah, just kidding. Shit sucked. It was horrible beads, dude.
It was with flux core. See there, we might have to trim all this right here. And just like kind of maybe overlap it.
Good as
And on this side, hey, I'm filming on his camera. He gets monetized, you know.
Yeah.
called
well,
editing.
And then maybe cut
shit looks
something here.
When it has a little soft stuff on the top of it, this means
yeah, dead cat.
Is that what you call it?
No, that's what it's called.
Oh, it's called this cat?
Drop that shit, dude.
Oh, we don't talk about the squirrel, man.
He took the squirrel and he put it on his camera.
How's it sitting?
Not terrible. Just gotta trim right here so that way it'll sit against that one, but.
That's why I gave you.
This has to be cut out, huh? Right?
No, I was gonna
Just put it on
overlap it
top?
a little bit, yeah. Just so we have, it's not like a butt joint, so it'll be a little bit stronger. This area kind of confuses. Shit. Oh, you?
Oh, because of the holes?
Just gonna weld the hole shut.
Yeah, it's still within the weld.
Just hammer it straight, right? And fucking.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. It's not gonna be pretty, but I mean the inside of the engine bay will look nice. That's all that matters.
He's like, a bumper will be right there. And some headlights.
Yeah, it'll just take some massaging.
I've never seen a fucking Rex frame like this.
Yeah, the one that I just did recently was a lot worse, but
I got body hammers, regular hammers, vice grips. The works.
yeah.
Crackhead hammer, we got that one too.
Oh no, that one broke. You pinch yourself?
Yeah, so let's mark off where we should go.
Like Sharpies.
Do you have a Sharpie? No?
Anti-Sharpie.
Use an anti-Sharpie.
Yeah, make sure we get all those welds off right there.
Yeah, definitely.
Make sure we get all this weld off right there. I suck at welding too, dude.
I don't suck. It's just
I don't suck.
I don't suck at welding. It's just it was flux core and I can't.
Yeah, flux looks like trash no matter what you do. Unless it's structural and you got like 1,000 amps.
You're 1,000 amps.
Looks like you use butt cheeks.
This has like
I don't know if we have to
12
cut that
amps.
up that far,
That
no?
was a perfect line, dude. How'd you do that?
Because I mean it kind of levels up a bit, right?
I don't know. I just know we need to trim there and then we'll see where it lines up there. But I just figured we'd cut that much off of this section there. I don't know what I'm doing. Like
What
I
about-
said, I don't know how to cut. I just know how to weld.
What about this side right here?
Throw it away. Look at that.
Yeah, see?
That's why I gave you extra just in case.
Looks like you left me some Hershey squirts or something. Shoot chop.
Sorry.
Yeah, so we gotta cut this stuff out. I don't know. Just to follow the weld. We'll cut the weld.
Just follow the weld.
60 bucks?
About how Zosh got. Oh, don't put this on record. We're hi Zosh. We were talking about how Zosh got the Zosh.
Percy Mascuti, Green Integra DC4.
I gotta see.
He's really
Florida
big
boy.
in Florida. Really big in Florida.
YouTube?
He's doing it for Florida.
Yeah.
I gotta see.
And so Hybrid gave him a an RSX, and I was like, damn, that's dope. And then I started thinking, I was like, well, my sponsors don't give me shit.
I gave you a cylinder head.
I know, I'm just you, but you didn't give me a car.
God damn. I'm not balling, dude.
Okay, what I'm gonna need from you is an Integra Type R motor and a trans stat right now.
All right. What time are you leaving?
What time? I'm not leaving. But I need you to bring it here. I got salt and pepper.
For what?
For burgers.
Oh, I got followed my car one time. I fucking went in my mobile home park and I noticed.
Oh, you needed it. I have other spices, but I don't know what you guys want. Those are buns.
No, the patties. There's one in there, but we didn't want to throw the rest.
Oh, okay, they're making those white right here. Oh, white people don't season anything, but I'm like, I got, literally, like my mom's Mexican, so I got tons of seasoning all over the place.
Snort Takis.
Takis. I mean, so do they.
The fuse blew to your pat. Turn it back on.
Always blowing the breaker.
How far did you make it? Oh, snap.
Sucks ass. But we'll make it work. Small speed?
Yeah.
I can hear the turbo.
I like
Sounds scary. So he is finishing up cutting it right now, and then we gotta clean the edges of it with the flapper wheel, and then clean the chassis, and then I can start welding. A little sketchy doing it this way, just because it's old thin metal, but I think it'll hold up good. We'll stick weld it, we'll make it strong, and he won't have to worry in the future.
Oh my god, ow. Look at it in my sock.
I see that.
Oh. Christmas. Oh, that hurt.
Hurts so good.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Well, I've been trimming this up, and I mean, this is kind of hard to work with, but we're trying to make it work. So I'm gonna have to add some material. I'm thinking about just kind of using some flat stock to box this in, and that way I can tie it so it's not just like butt welded. But then we got the seam on the inside. I overlapped it about 1/4 inch, that way it's still structurally sound. This side, the fender lines up, the holes do. So that's what we're looking for, and we're trying to get the other side to line up right now, trying to find the last spot that we have to trim. Is it good?
Because it needs to come back even more, so we might get away with just clipping this corner, and we might be able to just close
Yeah, I
that.
can clip this corner here like that. Bring it in a little bit.
Because
That
still needs
corner
to come in.
right there.
This little piece right here.
Okay.
This was getting in the way. And once it hits, I think this should be good. Because, like,
We might have to.
So we got the metal trimmed up, and the core support fits pretty well. Again, we're gonna have to.
Clear coat for his headlights, and that shit was matte clear. You already used it.
So I didn't know. Yeah, so I'm just having them finish cleaning up the paint that I couldn't get with the flapper wheel, but core support fits. It's just gonna need a little bit of boxing in around the right here. That's not obviously the gap, but yeah, like you guys might have saw, it's gonna need a little bit of boxing around that, not a huge issue. But again, this was a little bit less material than we would have liked to work with, but it'll work. Chris will have a complete car here soon. Japanese boy.
Bro, it almost looks like...
Looks good.
You know what do you mean you're gonna go though? I'm not staying there with you.
I literally said that's why.
Okay.
Alright, so the core sport is on. It is solid. And then this side's a little loose because of the gap here. So this is the part where I told you he's gonna have to make some bracing to go around here. But it will work. It is definitely on there. Both fenders line up, which is good. But it looks like a car again, almost. Progress is progress.
Hi, Mom. Yeah, progress is no progress. Progress is better than no progress, is what Dana always says. But I really appreciate you helping me, dude. And like seeing this and seeing like the look in my grandpa's eye, and knowing that I actually have a front end on now, and they can put things back, and I don't have to stress about it. It's amazing.
Alright. Alright, time to skedoodle. Creased off.
All right, man. Thank you again. I appreciate it.
Damn, would you look at the yammers on that boy?
I appreciate it. I appreciate it, dude. Everything that you've done for me.
Oh, shit.
Absolutely.
If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. Guy does a lot for people.
LazyManGarage t-shirts are $25 shit.
Now that's New York.
Now that's New York, Steve. Steven, if you're watching, it's New York, man.
And if you guys don't already, then go check out Chris's channel at LazyManGarage to see him actually start putting in some work on this. He was waiting for the front end to get put on. And now that it's on, he can continue working on it. He's got a good welder now. It's all set up for him, so he can keep on getting progress knocked out on this. And yeah, I got a 4 or 5 hour drive home, so time to skedoodle. Skedaddle. Farewell. Come here. Come here. Bye bye. Back at home now, next morning, and I want to wrap this video up here. So I want to start off by saying thank you. I want to say your name is Ed. I'm really sorry if I get that wrong. For the radio ding cover, center console piece, and then a new window switch since mine had broken. The plastic kind of crumbled on me when I took the door panel off last time to do my exterior door handle. And big thank you again to LazyManGarage. Be sure to go check him out. He hooked it up for my birthday, early birthday present, technically, as an HKS turbo timer. So I don't know how to install that, so we'll have to figure it out together. Can't be that hard. But yeah, it was all in all a fun day. I'm glad I got to be a part of it. I really hope that motivates Chris more to get more effort into the car now that it's a car, like it's one car again for the most part, and he can get that thing knocked out, and then by doing so he can hopefully get over his agoraphobia. And yeah, that's really all I hope that helps you, dude. Go help him hit 1,000 subscribers. He is really close. He's like 930, 940-ish area. So go help him get to 1,000. Go give him a like. Go check him out. Go say something nice to him. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna slap these things in really quick. And then I got some new headlights right here. So nothing too crazy of an install, but I will be filming another video here starting shortly once I end this one. And I'm gonna just put these things in and then get these headlights in. I got new auxiliary lights coming in the mail too. I don't know when, but I'll just film that all as one video, just installing all these things. Anyways, guys, do what you love, forget about the rest. Keep killing it. See you in the next one. Peace.